One simple Stoic idea could instantly change your life. It comes from a man who was born a slave and yet became one of the greatest philosophers in history. His name was Epictetus, and his teachings might just help you face whatever you're struggling with right now. Epictetus is one of the most important voices in Stoic philosophy. He taught that resilience, the ability to adapt, recover, and grow through hardship, is not something you're born with. It's something you build. And in today's world, filled with uncertainty, that mindset might be more valuable than ever. Epictetus was born a slave in Hierapolis, in what is now modern-day Turkey. From the very beginning, he had no freedom, no control, no security in life. Later, he was exiled. He lived in poverty. He lost people close to him. But instead of being broken, he used every challenge to strengthen his soul. His life became a living example of what true resilience looks like. At the core of his philosophy is a simple but powerful truth. Focus only on what you can control and accept what you can't. You can't control traffic. You can't control what people say. You can't control what tomorrow brings. But you can control how you respond. You can control your mindset, your choices, your character. And that shift from blaming the world to mastering your own mind is what builds real resilience. Epictetus once said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Let that sink in. It's not just a quote, it's a way of living. Lost your job, rejected, facing something painful? These events don't define you. Your response does. And once you fully understand that, you become unshakable. Resilience isn't about being untouched by life. It's about choosing your response, about building inner strength and facing life with clarity, courage, and calm. That's what Epictetus stood for, and that's what you and I can learn from him. What challenge are you facing right now? How would Epictetus respond to it? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And if you want more practical lessons from Stoicism and the warrior mindset of Miyamoto Musashi, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video, where we'll dive into how Marcus Aurelius applied these Stoic ideas as a Roman emperor.